Hey guys, it's Zach from Studio Z and DNP back with another tip. Uh-oh, I don't know if you just heard that, but my printer just failed at printing. Don't know what's up, but I'm seeing that my ribbon and error light's on, so something happened with the ribbon inside. Let's take a quick look. Well, I see the issue. Our ribbon snapped. It's rare, but it does happen. And you must be thinking, oh my God, I'm out of a whole ribbon. I just started this roll. What am I gonna do? It's super simple. If you have any arts and crafts skills, we can fix this ribbon very fast, very efficiently, and get you back on your way. All you need, and you should keep in every event toolkit, is a roll of Scotch tape and a pair of scissors just in case you need them. This breaks pretty clean, so all I'm gonna do is just feed it over the used ribbon portion, and I'm just going to Scotch tape it on. That way I can get it to feed and roll itself forward a few rolls to get it back to a tight ribbon and back to what it was. So I'm just gonna fold this over, and I'm not the best at arts and crafts, but I'm good at closing packages for UPS. So I'm just going to tape that up, and I'm gonna trim this tape. I don't need that much. And you see, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little offline, off center here, but I think that's gonna be okay. We'll find out. And then I'm just going to roll this over. Give that a few rolls, get to the next color, and the printer will find its next print. But now our ribbon is back together and connected. Open it back up. I haven't even touched the paper. Drop it back in. And you're good to go. That print will come out seconds later, and you'll be back in action.